Money is a hugely powerful form of democracy. Where we choose to spend our money, where we choose to save it, is a vote for your values. A sustainable bank is essentially one that firstly keeps people's money safe and secondly uses it in the long-term interests of its customers. So essentially I mean financing things that improves people's quality of life today, but by not compromising the quality of life or the natural environment for future generations. Our banking sector could play a very different role and be a really positive force for good, and we all have a role to play in changing that, but we need to regulate it differently and not only recognise that banks are inherently connected to the natural environment and are affected by climate change, but they have a responsibility in creating those risks in the first place. The one thing we've all got to do as individuals and organisations is recognise the responsibility to know what our money is doing. Money is a hugely powerful form of democracy. Where we choose to spend our money, where we choose to save it, is a vote for your values. So think about what your money is doing and take an interest in how it's used by your bank.